right, so using our conversions, here's the big thing. So you want to write your original uh, measurement over 1, convert using your appropriate rates, and then simplify. All right, so let's look at one here. What if I want to do, let's go 4 miles to feet. Okay, it's a pretty simple one, but if you set it up using that way that I tell you right there, like I said, the easy ones you could probably do it without it. The harder ones, you're going to really need it. So 4 miles to feet. How many miles or how many feet are in a mile? Anybody? 5,280. Okay, 5,280. Now again, we need to line this up so our measurements and our units cancel out. So we want to get rid of miles. We want to get it into feet. So I want to put my miles on the bottom. 1 mile, 5,280 feet. Okay, so then from there I can cancel out my miles. Gone, gone. So now I have the thing in the correct units. I want it in feet. Feet are the only ones I have left. So I can stop right there. If I multiply the top, multiply the bottom is going to be just 1, so I don't really need it. The top, I'm going to have 5280 times 4. Well, 5280 times 4 is going to be what? 20. What's the last part? 21,120. Okay, so 21,120 feet. All right, so that was a simple one. Okay. All right, now let's do one with multi-units. That's where this process really comes in for us. So let's go with, let's go 38 gallons per hour to ounces per, let's go ounces per minute. What? Got a problem? Okay. All right, it's 38. You know what? Let's make it a little bigger. 238 gallons per hour to ounces per minute. And remember, this will be fluid ounces here. So we're going to need 2 rates. We need one where we have gallons to ounces, and we need hours to minutes, right? Let's start with this guy, just like we did before. So we have 238 gallons over 1 hour. Okay? So from there, let's go with the gallons first. Let's go from gallons to fluid ounces. How many fluid ounces are there in a gallon? Remember from your chart? One gallon is, good, Heidi. I know you said that, didn't you? 128 fluid ounces. There we go. Okay, so then I can cancel out my gallons because I have one top, one bottom. All right. All right, now we got to go from hours to minutes. So how many minutes are there in an hour? How many? There's 60, yeah. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So cancel out the hours. All right, so now I'm good. I got ounces on top. I got minutes on the bottom. So multiply across the top. What's 238 times 128? You got a calculator there? 238 times 128. 164? 464. Okay, and then on the bottom I have 60 minutes. So then I have 30,464 divided by 60. That's going to be what? 507.73. And that would be ounces per minute. Questions there? All right, last one. Let's go. Let's say you're hauling manure. All right. How many tons do you get in a manure tank? No idea. 6,300 gallon. You don't know how many tons. All right. Let's say. All right. How many of those can you use in an hour? How many? How many tanks? Huh? All right. If it's side by side, you're not going down the road at all. You're on the same farm where the tank's at. How long does it take to empty a tank in the field? Huh? Oh my goodness. All right. We're gonna say that a tank holds, we'll say 20 ton. Okay? So 20 ton, and you can get 3 an hour. Is that right? That'll be all right for the problem. So we got 60 tons per hour. Okay? That's a lot, isn't it? All right? Huh? Can I hear you? All right, so 60 tons per hour. I want to figure out pounds per minute. Okay? So we need two conversion rate. We need tons to pounds, we need hours to minutes, right? So 60 tons per hour. So take it. 60 tons over 1 hour. All right, so how many pounds are there in a ton? 2,000. So 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. All right, let's cancel out tons. So from there, we got pounds on top. We're good there. We need to go from hours to minutes. So we'll go 1 hour on top. How many minutes are in an hour? 60. Okay, so then I can cancel out my hours. Then I can actually, heck, I can cancel out my 60, can't I? So I'm left with 2,000 pounds per minute. That'd be a lot. I feel like that'd be a lot. All right, questions? Still good? All right, and we can use this in any of our units. You use the same process time after time, and it'll always be the same. Okay? So